So in this question 2, we are looking at sequence. We have to write down the next two terms in each of the following sequence. So our second example is tripling. What does it mean, tripling? Multiplying by 3. So that means that I take a number, I multiply by 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 gives me 12. Again, I take 12, I multiply by 3, I get 36. That going forward, I mean, again, I'm multiplying by 3, and again, I'm multiplying by 3. So we put that in the calculator, and we get 36 multiplied by 3 is 108, and 108 multiplied by 3 is 324. Now, that sequence, it's called geometric. That type of a sequence is the sequence when every time we multiply by the same number. That idea, again, will be developed further in our living cert. Very important concept. It will go with us. So every time we multiply by the same value.